So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to set your message as a mark as unread in Messenger. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Messenger app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let me open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your Messenger, and tap on message like this. Then see, this message has been seen. Now to set this message as a mark as unread, you can simply tap on message like this. Then you can see the option of mark as unread, so tap on it. Now see, your message has been set on bold letter. It means that your message has been successfully set as a unread message. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.